Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Cuphead boss, and this time it's gonna be Pirouletta. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's a little bit tricky because everything is in perspective, but let's start off with the head. So we're gonna draw one curve like this, and then right below it I'm going to draw the same curve. Okay, so about that size, and then we're going to close this eye off, and then we're going to close this one off, but we're going to leave a little gap for her nose. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw her nose, so we're going to come out, and this one's going to come out, and then we're going to close that off. Okay, so it's a very odd shape. Again, and then from there we're going to draw the rest of the face. So in here around the nose area, just draw another line, same curvature as that, and then now we can draw one big eye. Okay, and then we're going to draw the eyeball, and she's going to have 3 lashes right here, and then I'm going to shade it in so we can see it a little bit better. Okay. So then from there, I'm going to draw her lip, which is going to be really easy. So it's just going to be 2 little bumps right here. Okay. And then we're going to go up. So here, we got right on the head, we're going to draw this bow shape. And then now we're going to draw a curve. It's all the same curve, okay? So, and then we're going to draw the opposite curve. And then there's going to be 2 more curves in there, but I can't draw with a Sharpie, so I'll just draw a line like that for the opening. And then from there, we're gonna draw the opposite curve of this one, because we're seeing the top. Okay, and then there's gonna be these lines that look like highlights. Okay, so we gotta keep going, and here for her neck, we're just going to draw 2 lines, and then again, same curve as this one. And then there's going to be 2 lines in here again. So we're just going to keep going down, and now we're going to draw another curve, which is going to be the same as that one. This is going to be her body. And then we're going to draw the opposite curve. Okay? And then now from there, we're going to draw a little shoulder here. We're going to draw one curve, then we're just gonna close it off with that kind of shape first. And then to draw her body, we're gonna come down and just kind of pinch it in. And this one's gonna come down and just kind of pinch it in as well. So it's kind of symmetrical. And then we're gonna close it off. And then we're gonna draw another curve, same thing. And then now we're gonna extend it and just kind of go over it. So a lot of little tricky shapes in perspective. And then now we're going to draw 2 lines again. A little bit of curvature. And while we're at this, let's finish off the bottom. So we're going to continue this curve. It's going to pinch in and it's going to come out. And this one, same thing. It's just going to go out. It's going to flare out. And now we're going to draw the curve. Same curvature. Okay, and then 2 straight lines. And then we're gonna close this one off, same curve. All right, so and then we're gonna continue this white line here. Coming down as well. Okay, so that's pretty much the body, and everything is tilted, so it makes it a little bit trickier. So now let's draw her arm. So her arm's gonna be easier, right? So right here, we're just gonna kind of do a little wavy line. Give it some thickness, close that off, and then we're going to draw the glove. We're going to extend it outward, close it off. And now for her hand, it's going to be really odd, so it's just going to be like very floppy looking. So that's the thumb, and then we're going to come down here. That's going to be the palm, and now it's just going to have 3 other fingers here. 1, 2, and 3, and there's like a little bit of detail there, little dot. So now for the other one, so Again, same thing, it's just gonna be curve. Just make it a little bit flowy. Just give it some thickness. Close it off. The glove. And then her thumb is gonna come out. And then the back side of her palm. So now we'll draw one finger here, another one here, and then this one's gonna flow out a little bit. Gloves, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we have our arms. So now for the roulette. So it's gonna be her dress. So this one's even trickier because it's gonna be a lot of perspective work. So right here, to start out here, just draw one big curve. Okay, and then we're gonna come back in and draw the opposite curve and have it meet up to her body. It's okay if yours is a little bit distorted. These are very tricky shapes. And then now from here, we're gonna draw 2 lines again. And then now we're gonna draw the same curve on the bottom. Okay, so now there's gonna be a lot more of these curves inside. So in here, we can actually start with the top one and just draw it, okay, a little bit thinner. And then on the bottom here, we're gonna draw the same thing, but a little bit thicker. Okay, so that's the white line, and then now there's gonna be more inside. So we can actually draw, well, let's draw another one. Going out, and then again, we're gonna connect it with another curve. And then we just have to draw one more. And we're gonna start off real tight in there. Okay, and then have it flare out a little bit. And then now this is just gonna same curve, just a little bit thicker. Okay, I know it's a little bit messy, but once I put the color in there, we'll see the difference. And then for this, now we have to draw the line. So this is gonna go with the curvature of this whole roulette thing. So we're gonna start out straight here. And as we go out, we're gonna curve it out more. Okay. So again, this is straight, and then we're gonna go this way and we're gonna curve it out. Just curve a little bit. This one's curved more. This one even more. And there's gonna be one part like behind like that. Very tricky. Okay, so now let's move on to her legs, which would be a lot easier than this one up here, right? So we're gonna start with this one. We're just gonna come straight down, and it's gonna be pretty thin. She's like a dancer, like a ballet. And then bracket, close. Now for her foot, it's gonna be easy. Okay. And now for the other one, so we're gonna come down. Again, make it a little bit sharp. Close it. Another shape like that, and then now we're gonna come down, and we wanna make sure we meet up on the bottom here. Okay, so we're gonna come to heel, and then we're just gonna come down. And now on this one, we're gonna come down and just kind of turn it. And that's it for this Pirouletta character, and I know it's a little bit tricky, but you know, with these step-by-step, I hope yours turned out great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.